Welcome back to another episode of The Real Tours. I am your host for today, Darius Norman. Today we are in Kissimmee. And this property that I'm showing you right now got a lot of lots available. So those who are relocating from outside of Florida, you're not going to want to miss this one out. Market is changing to a buyer's market, so that's a great advantage for you guys. Prices are dropping to include the interest rate, so that's another good thing to look out for. So we're getting started with this property tour. But before we do, I want to let you guys know, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment on any questions that you have, and we'll be glad to help you guys out. We're getting started with this property tour right now. Let's go. All right, guys, we're checking out the Alex. The builder is D.R. Horton, and it's a 1,500 square foot home. Comes with that nice open space right there. Set up a nice dining room area for you and your family. And then it's a really good open airway right here when you come in. It's not too claustrophobic or closed in for your guests when they walk in and feel the atmosphere of this living room, this beautiful living room right here. And then to your left, when you come in, you got your beautiful island right here. Has the stove, kitchen, and a double door refrigerator right there. Usually a lot of these new builders come with these items stock, so that way it can reduce the choosing of your appliances in your home. You got the double door access way that goes out to where you can see beautiful Florida, and you can relax with your guests outside on this covered patio right here. You can see right there, you got the roof, and it's a pretty good size covered patio right there. You can put a lanai there. I know a lot of people not from Florida, they don't really know what a lanai is. A lanai is a screened-in patio. Pretty much takes away from all of the mosquitoes and all those unwanted critters. Now we're coming into the owner's suite, where you can see you can add in that back right there, that back upgrade. It's pretty nice. It adds a nice accent to the owner's suite right there. And then you have a window where you can see outside for the day. And it's connected right there to the living room, so the owners have their own privacy on their own side of the house. This is the owner's suite closet right here. It's a good sized closet. You can see that a lot of these builders come with some nice staging props right there to make it create the image of what you can fit in this closet. It's a good sized closet right there, so it's really good for the owners. And then coming out of the owner's closet, you got the owner's suite bathroom. Owner's suite bathroom comes with 2 sinks right there, a nice large mirror that covers the sink right there, so you can really get a view at that outfit that you want. And you got the toilet right there, secluded away from the standing shower. Comes right there. That curvature inside the shower that really helps with keeping the soap off of the actual material in the closet. And you can see I really like these. You can put some soap right there, or any type of washing equipment that you use. So those cubbies right there, they really add an accent on the shower of the owner's suite bedroom. Coming out of the owner room suite, you can see that the owner room suite is secluded on the side. And when you come out, you come right back into this beautiful open space concept living room with the kitchen. Now we're going to show you the remaining side of the house. Coming right back past that nice dining room area. You see how they put these mirrors up there so you can really see some type of ideas you can do for this nice little space right here. I just wanted to point that out. So now we're coming to the right. You come to the right, you can see at the end of the hall, that's going to be your pantry closet right there. But we're going to come left. When we come left, you can see your first bathroom right here. This is the bathroom that it shares between the 2 bedrooms that I'm going to show you. And it's also a guest bathroom right there. So you can see They have a mirror right there, standard sink and toilet. And then you can have a space right there to put a nice painting up to really add that final touch onto your bathroom. Coming out, you got your space right there. You could put your toilet tissue and other pantry and linen. So now, I'm gonna come out to your left and your right. These both are bedrooms right here. So coming into the first one, it's a good size right there. It's a full-size bed, so it give you a good idea on how big the bedroom is. You got your 2 nightstands, so there's still room for that. And then both of these bedrooms come with these closets right here. So it's a good sized closet, you know. It could be a guest bedroom or another bedroom for your kids or your children. I know those are the same thing, but you know. Now you can coming into the other bedroom that they have right now staged as a office. So it also gives you an idea. You got your corner space office right here. And it's going to be similar to the other bedroom where you have a closet right there for some space. So you business professionals, you guys have an idea on how you want to do your office. If you want to make this room an office, really like how they did that door right there. It's see-through, so it gives that real good office feel right there. Now we're coming out, coming to the left. That is your entranceway right there. When you come into the entranceway, you also have a washer and dryer room right there. This door right here, this is your garage door right here. So that goes into the 2-car garage. And this is your washer and dryer hookup room. The thing I like about this washer and dryer hookup room is the placement of it in the house. It definitely keeps the noise from the washer and dryer away from all the bedrooms, so you don't hear any dryers going in late at night. And just one more final look at the house before we depart. Look at that. Okay, nice. And that concludes our video, guys. I definitely thank you for joining us today. Like we said before, we do have preferred lenders and we do have incentives that come. So if you want, you can join our interest list by going to realtorsflorida@gmail.com. Contact us and we'll definitely be glad to help you. Thank you guys for joining us today. I'm Darius Norman.